Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Target Pillow Fort Hot Wheels light up shelf. We're gonna unbox this for you and we'll light it all up, and then we're gonna hang it on the wall right behind us here, and it'll be kind of the background for our videos going forward. I want to try and have it so I can have the Shelby logo still, so we'll have to move that down, but we're going to go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, here it is, guys. LED light up with USB cord, desktop, or wall-mounted design. So we could just set it there. If we didn't want to have it up higher, we could just set it back there. I don't know. We'll see once we get it out of here. Oh, what else does it say up top here? Adult assembly required. There's hanging hardware and a template. How nice of them. Not intended as a toy. Well, let's crack it open here. Not much to it. There it is. So no backing here, so it's going to be whatever wall you put it on for the back. So it's got mounts on each end here for your screws. I was hoping maybe you could do it with a battery, but you're gonna have to have another cord plugged in somewhere. Well, let's go ahead and see how we're gonna get this mounted up on the wall here, and then we get to go shopping for cars to fill this up. So that might be kind of exciting. So here's the two little things that come in the box. Just the cord. At least they give you one that's fairly long. You just got to supply your own charger block. But it seems to be pretty long. Let's see if we can tell how long this cable is. We're going to do a little math here. So it is probably, it's either 10 or 12 foot cord. Hardware bag. So they give you the screws. And I think one of these is probably the template. Oh, here it is. This must be the template. So you just got to get that level, put it where you want it, and then those two X's will be where your screws need to go. Should I just let it sit on the desk like that, and then I'll put my Shelby logo up above? That almost might be better. Let's flip it the other way, and just to see. We go like that, and then we do that on the wall. I'm not sure which is better. You guys let me know down in the comments. You'll see what we chose in the end here, but maybe we'll start with it on the desk down here, and then if we don't like it, then we can always mount it. All right, guys, there it is. Move the Shelby logo up, and that's just sitting back here. So I think we're gonna try that for now. We'll get it loaded up with some cars, see how it goes, and we'll light this thing up. All right, guys, I don't very often get to go shopping in my own basement for Hot Wheels, but today is that day. Instead of hunting for them for keychains, we are going to hunt for them to put them in the Hot Wheels shelf. So we're definitely gonna have to get some Porsches in there, probably some Ferraris, and we'll see what else we can find here. So we're definitely going with my favorite of the year, the Chalk 911. Gonna get that one. And we might as well do an F40. What do you think? We'll do an F40, SF90. What else should we do? Any other fun cars over here to do? We're gonna do one of these. Love that 911. Definitely got to get some Mustangs in here. Maybe a Bronco or two. Which Mustang should we do? I have an idea of the Mustang we're gonna do. I already have it over there. I already know which one we're gonna do. We are gonna do, let's do a Lamborghini. Do that Huracan. Gonna do one of these Firebirds. Really like that one. It'll be a nice one. What else should we get over here? I think we're probably gonna need to get a BMW in there. So let's go with this 1M. It's a nice one. And let's do a Black Widow C10. Be a good one. And I'm a big fan of this livery on this Raptor, so I think we'll put one of those in there. And definitely gotta have a Civic, guys. So we'll go with this blue one down here because I actually had a car similar to this in the 90s. 90 Civic hatchback. And I think that'll be good for now. We'll get those into the shelf, and I might have to grab a couple more, but we're getting pretty close to filling that thing up. So, all right, guys, those are the cars that I've decided to go with for our shelf. Those ones I already had unpacked. A couple of Mustangs, a 2024. And a GT350R, guys. Gotta have one of those up there. And the old Grand National. And then we're gonna get all these unboxed here, unpackaged, and we'll get them all in there. All right, had to get a C8 in there. Decided to go with the green. I really like green. Lime green to be exact. So that guy will be our first car. SF90. I decided to put the F40 back. We're gonna go SF90. Put that in there. And throw a Lamborghini next to the Ferrari, shall we? I like that. Man, that's a good looking car. I just noticed something. The back wheels on that don't match the front. Is that? Did we just open an air, or is that how it's supposed to be? I'm gonna have to go look. I'm gonna go check my other ones. It looks kind of awkward. Let me check this out, guys. I don't know if you've been watching the channel or subscribed, but you know I love Back to the Future, and I actually had a Marty McFly Toyota pickup that we actually built, did a build on. And so we are putting that guy up there for sure. All right, up top. And the Black Widow. I'll make that the truck column there. We've got a Raptor to put in there. All-time favorites, the Lexus LFA. Heck yeah, the best sounding cars of all time, V10. Like it a lot. And I had to get another Porsche, guys. This one is pretty epic. The white GT3 RS. Put them right next to each other. White next to white. And what other ones we do? Hey, I'll just do white. Another Porsche right there. Might have to rearrange these if I have too many colors of the same together and they don't look good. BMW 1M. It's a cool casting for Matchbox, guys. Pretty cool casting. And a little hot rod muscle car action from the 70s. Put that down there. Let's put our Grand National there. Mustangs. And one last one. The Civic. There it is, guys. All loaded up. Let's see how it looks in the dark. Not too shabby. I think that'll work for now. All right, guys, that is the unboxing of the Target Pillow Fort Hot Wheels shelf. The light up LED shelf. If you got any comments for me, let me know. Let me know if I should put it up above the Shelby logo or if you like it down below. But thanks again for tuning in, guys. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next unboxing video. Have a good one.